Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, our today's topic is present value of a single amount. We can compute present value by using a future value multiplied 1 plus I whole power n formulation. We can also narrate that present value is equal to future value multiplied present value interest factor for given interest rate for given number of periods. Or we can simply write it present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus I whole power n. For example, AMX Bank will provide rupees 50,000 after 5 years. What amount you will invest today if interest rate, also known as discount rate, is 10% per annum? अगर हम इसे टाइमलाइन पे देखें तो हमारे पास आफ्टर 5 years हमें 50,000 रुपया ऑफर किया जा रहा है और हम ये देखना चाहते हैं कि अगर डिस्काउंट रेट 10% है तो आज ये कितनी अमाउंट बनती है, आज हम कितने पैसे जो है वो डिपॉजिट करवाएं, आज हम कितने पैसे जो है वो इन्वेस्ट करें. So simply present value will be equal to 50,000 multiplied 1 over 1 plus I 0.10 whole power n. We computed points, it is after computation 0.6209, 50,000, and the value is 31,046. Let it compute in Excel and we find this value. Future value that is to be provided is 50,000. Interest rate is 10%, 0.10, n are 5 years. Present value interest factor, we can simply 1 divided by 1 plus I interest rate. That power is 5 years. We close function here, and then we see it is equal to 0.6209. Now present value is equal to 50,000 multiplied present value interest factor, that is 31,046 rupees. So it's very simple to compute. We can see, we can depict it on timeline how it is depicted, and value is shown. One element, the present values are seen towards time today. अगर हमें फ्यूचर में एक अमाउंट मिल रही है तो हम देखते हैं कि वो आज उसकी वैल्यू क्या है जो कि डिस्काउंट होने के बाद हमारे सामने आती है. Now we see present value of a mixed stream. Present value of mixed stream of cash flows. A mixed stream consists of unequal periodic cash flows that reflect to particular pattern. अगर हमें कोई ऑफर कर रहा है फ्यूचर में पहले साल के आखिर पे 23,000, फिर 25,000, 27,000, 33,000, 37,000, तो ये हमें एक मिक्स स्ट्रीम ऑफ कैश फ्लोज ऑफर हो रही है. और हम अगर कंप्यूट करना चाहें तो सिंगल फार्मूले के साथ भी हर एक साल की डिस्काउंटिंग जब हम करके उसका सम कर सकते हैं, अगर हमने टाइमलाइन के मुताबिक कंप्यूट करना हो इस तरह से. अदरवाइज हम इसको जो है वो इस तरह से टेबुलेशन की फॉर्म में भी कर सकते हैं. ईयर्स हमारे पास 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Cash flows are 23,000 in first year, 25,000 in second year, 27,000 in our third year, and 33,000 in our fourth year, and 37,000 in our fifth year. Present value interest factor for given interest rate for given number of periods is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus I interest rate is. We will fix it here now by putting sign $, and the power of this function is number of years. And now we know present value of cash flows are equal to multiplied interest factor 20909 we tracked it and we can use the same here. So the discounted values of all these cash flows is very clear, and we can get its sum, and that sum will be the present value of mixed stream. Present value of mixed stream cash flows is 1 lakh. Present value of mixed stream of cash flows, and we are in actually we are attaining these amounts if we invest today 1,77,369. The question is here that what amount today we are going to invest to attain these cash flows is, the answer is the present value of mixed stream of cash flows is 1,07,369. Now we will see another concept regarding present value of a perpetuity. Perpetuity means the cash flows for unlimited period, for infinite period. If the cash flows are perpetual and for infinite time period, then we compute present value in this manner. As we know, cash flows are also known here receipts or payments multiplied 1 over 1 plus I, n is equal to infinity. So it can be rewritten as, because n is equal to infinity, cash flows divided by I. For example, someone is given us 50,000 after each year. What will be the present value of this perpetual cash flows if the interest rate is 15%? So cash flows that is going to be offered for unlimited period each year, 50,000, interest is 15%, 0.15, n is infinity. We have no concern with this value. Present value of perpetuity is equal to cash flows divided by I. It will be 3,33,333. So we can get this communal value, this is the lump sum of this amount, if we today want to receive this. Otherwise, each year it will be offered to you 50,000 amount. Present value of all these cash flows is today is 3,33,333. परपेचुटी के प्लान्स जो है वो पेंशन प्लान्स हैं, जो है वो एम्प्लॉइज बेनिफिट प्लान्स हैं, इंश्योरेंस के जो है वो पॉइंट में जो है वो सिचुएशन में ये जो है वो कंपटीशन जो है वो यूज की जाती है. थैंक यू सो मच.